Hello students. Hello students. I am Anil Mishra, Physics faculty, Sri Chaitanya College. Students, today I am going to discuss a question related to projectile motion. Look here. This color is not fine. Suppose the question is given, a ball is projected with velocity u at an angle theta with horizontal. A ball is projected with velocity u at an angle theta with horizontal. Find the time when velocity of ball becomes right angle to the initial direction. This is the question. A ball is when projected, if we will solve it, a ball is projected with velocity u at an angle theta. After how much time the velocity of the ball becomes perpendicular to the initial direction? Generally, we students solve like this. Sir, this is the velocity and it becomes perpendicular after time t. If you are taking this is x-axis and you are taking this is y-axis, of course you can solve it by that manner. No problem, but it will take time. The smart way to solve these questions is, if I assume this is x-axis, look dear, if I assume this is x-axis and this is y-axis, again listen, I have assumed this is x-axis, it means along the direction of ball, it is x-axis and this is y-axis. Then what happens? Then we can say that along x ball is moving, and when the velocity is perpendicular, if the velocity is perpendicular to the initial direction means x-axis. Why? Because I have taken this axis as a x-axis. Then velocity of x direction after time t must be equals to 0. Again listen, I have taken this is on the x-axis, it is x-axis, now the velocity becomes perpendicular. If I have taken this is along the x-axis and now this ball becomes perpendicular, it means its vx must be equals to 0 along that axis. Then very easily we can solve this question like this. This is z, this is z, okay. This is theta, 90 minus theta. Any problem? This angle is 90 minus theta. Then the component along this is g sine theta. Now this questions becomes very simple dear, very simple. How? The ball is moving with velocity u. After what time the final velocity is 0? That is the time when the velocity becomes perpendicular. Normally we can say v is equals to u minus g sine theta into t. Final velocity must be equals to 0. You can write u is equals to g sine theta into t. T can be find u by z into cosec theta. This is the time after which the velocity of ball becomes perpendicular to the initial direction. Okay students? Okay, thank you.